Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis, and this is for Wednesday through Friday, August 12 to 14, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat, beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. We have a cloudiness here approaching the Philippine Islands. This is part of a surface trough which developed overnight, and this will bring cloudy skies with some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly along the eastern sections of Luzon, including the Bicol region and Eastern Visayas. So this cloudiness will be closely observed for possible development into a new low pressure area, but so far the computer models are not agreeing for the development of this. But on the European model, there is possibility of a weak LPA forming within the next few days. We are going to closely observe this computer model. And so far, the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain partly sunny to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in areas like the Visayas and Mindanao and portions of northern and central Luzon. We still have here the southwest monsoon is still picking up, still blowing its way towards the Hong Kong area of the southern China. So expect some breezy conditions with some on and off occasional rain showers and thunderstorms across the area of the South China Sea. Meanwhile, outside the Philippine area of responsibility, we are observing Tropical Depression 6W, a weak tropical depression, is still marching towards the southern portions of Ryukyu Islands, and you can see the trough here, bringing some unsettled weather over these areas. And this tropical depression will eventually dissipate into a low pressure area once it reaches to the south of Okinawa within the next few days. And we have a high pressure area, a small high pressure here over southern Japan and over to the east-southeast of Japan. And we have an upper level low. And we speak of upper level low, these are low pressure areas around 20 to 50,000 feet, not over the or above the surface, that could cause unsettled weather over landmass and ocean surface. But upper level lows are on the unsettled area of low pressure area around flight level of airlines or aircrafts. So far, that's the situation of this upper level low. It will bring showers and thunderstorms along its periphery, but not expected to become a surface low pressure. And farther here along the Marshall Islands and the eastern portions of Micronesia, we have a surface trough. Nothing to worry about, it's not yet an LPA. And so far, that's the latest from our GovSat. As we said, the southwest monsoon is moving into another break, maybe around a week or so, and then before it will again return to our country. It depends if there is a formation of a low pressure area, a strong LPA, or a tropical cyclone. We are going to observe that in the coming weeks. Now let's move towards our fast animation. So you can clearly see here the surface trough is still active across the Philippine Sea and the Western Pacific. Some isolated thunderstorms forming across the Visayas and Mindanao area. And as we look at our windy.com zoom in satellite animation from UMITSat, so we could see here the cloudiness over the Visayas and portions of Mindanao brought about by the localized convection. Okay, these are localized thunderstorms bringing some rainy conditions at this hour of the night across the central and western Visayas as well as eastern Visayas, brought about by the trough to the east of that area. And here's the infrared black and white satellite photo. We have a problem with the satellite animation as of this time. And as we look at our global typhoon models, it's only 6W has been shown here. 6W will track to the south of Okinawa and dissipate. It might enter PAR, so watch out for a local name if ever Pag-asa issues one on this tropical depression. And as we look at our windy.com wind, rain, and pressure forecast from the ECMWF model, so this is for tomorrow, Thursday afternoon. You could see a wide array of afternoon or evening thunderstorms still affecting the Philippine Islands, and here's the trough and a possible formation of a weak LPA. And on Friday, the weak LPA or the surface trough is still here to the east of the Philippine Islands, far away outside of PAR, and still some showers and thunderstorms will be expected around 4 p.m. across most parts of Luzon, including Bicol, Visayas, and Mindanao, and some portions of Palawan. And as we look at our global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration of the United States of America, so far for the next 2 weeks, it's been good across the Philippine Islands. Normal climate conditions beginning August 12 to 18 across the Philippine Islands, while on August 19, on week 2, August 19 to August 25, we could see another below average rainfall across much of the Philippine Islands. Both of these weeks, we could see a lower chances of tropical cyclone development, unlike here over the Eastern Pacific and Atlantic Basin. That's the reason of the climate conditions right now. Fewer tropical cyclone formation, more tropical cyclone formation over the Eastern Pacific and Atlantic Basin, brought about by the upcoming La Nina phenomenon, which suggests those development in all sides of the globe. And we could expect an average of 10 to up to maximum of 15 tropical cyclone formation of the Philippine Islands, right? While here over the US, it's more than 10. It's the other way around during a La Nina event. The La Nina phenomenon is expected to reach its peak beginning October to February, so we are going to observe that for the next few months. Okay, so that's the latest from our tropical weather analysis update here at typhoon2000.com, and we will be returning again on Friday to give you more tropical analysis. From typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones, this has been Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser and #TyphoonWiser, and thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel.